Today we are going to learn about leveraging AI and debugging with open source models. We will delve into the world of artificial intelligence-powered debugging and how to use open source AI models for this purpose. After this video, you will be equipped with the skills necessary to use AI for efficient code debugging and error resolution. Welcome to our video on leveraging AI and debugging with open source models. Debugging is a critical aspect of coding that involves detecting, tracing, and correcting errors or bugs in a program. Traditionally, debugging is time-consuming and requires intense concentration. However, the advent of AI has revolutionized this process. AI has the potential to automate debugging, making it faster and more efficient. While we also have paid AI models, open source models democratize the process, ensuring everyone has access to this technology. In this video, we will explore how to leverage these open source AI models for effective debugging. Let's delve into the world of open source AI models for debugging. Open source models are freely available to the public, and they can be modified and distributed. This democratization is advantageous as it allows more people to access and benefit from AI technology. Some examples of open source AI models are Deep Debug and ML-based debugging. These models use machine learning and deep learning techniques to predict potential bugs and suggest fixes. They can significantly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of debugging, saving developers a lot of time and effort. Now that we understand the concept, let's look at some practical examples of debugging using AI. Consider a program with a logical error. Instead of manually tracing the error, we can use an AI model like Deep Debug. Deep Debug will run through the code, predict potential bugs, and suggest fixes. Another example could be a program with a syntax error. An AI model can quickly identify this error and offer the correct syntax, saving the developer much time. These examples illustrate how AI can make debugging more efficient and less tedious. In conclusion, leveraging AI and debugging with open source models can revolutionize the way we approach error resolution in coding. It offers a faster, more efficient method that saves time and effort. As we continue to advance in technology, we can expect AI to play an even more significant role in debugging. It's an exciting time to be a developer, and embracing AI and debugging is a step towards future-proofing your coding skills. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been informative and helpful.